What's up, my friends? It's your buddy Adam from Podcasting Business School, and I came here to sing the praises of my pod pal, Janet Fish. Janet is somebody that I've known for quite a while, and I know she's amazing at email marketing, but this year, her knowledge has directly impacted my bottom line as an entrepreneur and a business owner in a dramatic way. So I had Janet on my show, and we talked about building out an email funnel, an automated email funnel. And that's something that I had never really put too much thought into. I didn't think I needed it. Well, I applied what she taught me. I built out an 18 email funnel, and it immediately started to convert people passively into paying customers, into my membership, into some of my lower ticket offers. But the thing that blew me away was when it started to convert passively on high ticket offers. I never thought that was possible. I remember within the first 3 months, I closed a $4,000 offer that was somebody that I had never met, I never did a consultation with. They found my show, they opted in, they went down the funnel, they bought a $4,000 offer, and that's pretty darn amazing. Janet Fish, you are an email magician. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.